Hey, say that to the camera.
It doesn't work! What are we going to make today?
Why are you exercising? We're going to be making homemade pasta.
Anyways, I will learn from Xwill.
So we're going to start by grabbing our spatulas.
Okay, I can do that.
Then we're going to be making a little well in the middle using our half cup of flour. Okay, once you made your well, set your spatula aside somewhere. So first, you're going to grab an egg, then you're going to crack it into this bowl.
I cannot crack it directly here. I don't have an extra bowl. Are we going to make everything?
You're going to have to take out the egg yolk.
Oh, take out. I have this prepared. Here, I'm going to use this.
Okay, so I'm going to do it first.
I have a tool. He will use his hand, I guess. Oh, how to use the tool? Ah! Whoops! Ah! I get egg wet on the countertop.
While she deals with that mess over there, I'm going to go grab the egg yolk using my hands, and I'm just going to shimmy it from hand to hand to get rid of all the egg white. After that, I'm going to put my egg yolk into the middle of my well.
But this thing is not working.
Now I'm going to go wash my hands.
Okay, don't buy this. It doesn't work.
So while she deals with that, I'm going to crack the other egg. Why is this egg so tall?
Yeah, eventually I got it working.
This egg is like 2 centimeters taller than the other one.
Oh, one is large, the other one is medium, I guess.
But they all came with the same container.
Okay, egg yolk to the middle of my well.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you're going to crack your second egg into a bowl.
Why into a bowl? Why not directly to here?
Just in case there are eggshells.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to pour it into the bowl. Into my well.
I think when you open the egg, if you open from the top, there will be no shells. But if you open from the bottom, there will be shells.
Uh-oh, my well is spilled. Oh well.
Teacher make mistake too.
So you're just going to break up your eggs.
Break up my eggs.
And just like try to scramble your eggs. Because while you scramble your eggs, you'll slowly get some flour in. But seeing as I made a mess of everything, I'm just going to mix everything together.
What should I do next?
Keep on mixing.
So gradually mix the
all the flour in.
Okay.
I'm going to go grab some flour. This is looking a little wet. So I'm just going to first add a little bit.
Why not just use this? It's an exercise.
I'm going to add my salt into my pasta dough. Why is this so stretchy? If it's like very stretchy like mine, you can add more flour into it.
Can I use my hand?
Sure.
So what should I do? Make them as a dough?
Yeah, you want to make them into a dough that's uniform.
Okay. We don't know how much flour we're going to add to here. Make your hand full of flours, right? And then grab the white dough. And then make another hand full of flours. So just keep doing this, one by one. So this is like gradually adding dry flours into my white dough.
And as you knead the dough usually becomes more stickier, like this. So you just add more flour.
I still love this. I don't. It's like a kids playing with a Play-Doh. I'm too old for this.
That's a lot of flour.
And you know what? After this, my hand going to be super clean.
I just stole some of her flour because now both of her hands are dirty. So now I just got a bunch of extra flour from the cameraman because my hands are very dirty. And I'm just going to continue kneading the dough.
Actually never gives up. 这什么时候能算好了呀？
快点加油了！
还要往里加油？这不是在之前加油，现在加油啊？
We're supposed to add like the oil if it gets too tough, because technically you don't need to add oil to the pasta dough.
Is it good, Axel?
Oh yeah, I feel like you need to add oil. It's like getting tough.
What should I do?
Just add like maybe a teaspoon of oil. The oil will also make it more yellow. You're almost done.
Okay, thank you.
5 minutes later.
Axel did all the work.
So this is what a good one would look like. As you can see, it's pretty smooth.
He said his is good, mine is bad. But he did both of them.
And then hers is not that smooth right now, so I need to add a little bit more oil.
Why? Why mine is not smooth? I put a lot of oil into it already.
Maybe you can add more because you added a lot of flour.
Okay, can I play with your dough?
Fine. Add a little bit more flour.
It's actually a solo show. Oh, by the way, change of plan. We decided this video will be ended with only us successfully making the pastas eventually, and that's it. We're not going to do the cooking part. cooking part will be a separate video. Otherwise, I will spend 2 weeks to edit the video at least.
You realize you can just make 2 videos, right? One to make homemade pasta, and then the other video to make pasta and just say, this is homemade pasta.
How smart you are.
How smart are you?
Always English lesson. How smart are you?
I have no clue what this is. I just feel like it might help me make it smoother.
Yes, I successfully ruined Xwill stove. Look at this.
I'll show you how to make it into a bowl. Fold the corners into the middle and then just keep on folding the corners. It should make a ball because there should eventually be no more corners. Then you flip it over, then you put your hands on the bottom edge using your pinkies. Just like slowly slide them in, then turn it 9 degrees.
It looks like a mushroom.
And then you're going to use your hands, put them over it, and just roll it around.
Ah, perfect, right? Just don't look at the bottom.
And then you can usually just whack it just to keep the bottom into like a shape.
Can I see your bottom? See, same! Just squeeze them together, right?
Yeah.
It like Chinese balls.
Except there's no meat in the middle.
Is it good? Can I put it into a plastic bag?
Roll it a little bit more.
I want to have a lunch outside the plastic bag. I want to give up, Xwill. I cannot hold on this anymore.
You're almost done. Just make it to a bowl.
Are we done?
I'm doing it for you.
Thank you. It doesn't need to be perfect, Xwill.
I don't want it to look like a square. So I just flip it over.
But we're resting it. No matter it's a square or it's a ball, it will be rested, right?
And then after that, you're gonna have to knead it more if it isn't smooth.
See, it's the surface already cracked. We're done, okay? We're done. We're good.
Okay, this is hers.
Okay.
This is mine.
Yeah. Thank you. I will take the consequences. I made my own decision.
I'm actually gonna flip it over.
Yeah, I keep doing a better job. I doing a faster job. I'm done first. So we rest it in room temperature or in the
We're
fridge?
gonna rest it in the fridge because you can keep it in the fridge for as long as you want. It'll also rest better.
Okay.
This is mine.
Bye guys. See you guys after lunch.
3,000 whoop-whoos later.
I ate too much for lunch. I'm a little bit sleepy.
Look at the size difference between these two.
I have too much dry flowers. Don't look at this.
That's why hers is also a lot more white and mine is more yellow. It's
Yeah,
like,
but look at this, how soft the dough becomes. Right? It's very soft and stretchy.
I'm gonna start by turning it into a rectangle.
How big, roughly?
It could be any size because we're going to roll it out with a rolling pin.
The only rolling pin we have.
She has to use a water bottle.
Yes, I'm going to use this.
So there's a strategy to do it. So you just fold the edges in and you just press down and then you can use a rolling pin to roll it out. And then as you can see, these two sides are straight.
I don't know why I need to fold it. Just do this, right?
It's supposed to be a rectangle.
Yeah, I can do it. While you're not using it, let me use it.
So you're just going to continue to keep on flipping it over and rolling it out.
Or you can use your hand, just stretch it. Like what I do. But look at how stretchy the dough is. It's much easier than
Mine's
this.
very smooth. Hers is
And I don't even have a rolling pin.
After you roll one side of it, you should flip it over.
Yeah, I always do. Why there's a bubble? Stitch them in. See, if I'm taller, it will be easier. Actually, you don't want to stand on a stool?
Sure, let's go stand on the stool.
Actually, it's taller than me. Are we going to roll it into transparent?
Pretty much, you should be able to see it like baby. Put it up.
Yeah, see my hand.
But, like,
You should go
actually-
let the camera see. Hey, your hand doesn't go this way.
Eventually, you should be able to see your hand. So I'm just going to keep on just flipping it over and I'm rolling.
Why I'm sweating every time when I do cooking with you?
It's basically an exercise.
How can we tell if we're done or not?
So if you look here, you can actually see the countertop. That means it's good. So you can kind of see the hand for the dough here. So which means it's done.
Yeah, and why we swap position?
That one's hard to use.
what do we do next, Xwill?
Because this dough isn't sticky, we're going to like fold it up.
Why fold it?
Then we're gonna cut it.
Oh, so you're not going to cut this. You're
Yeah.
super smart. Fold it and then cut it.
So I'm just first gonna fold it in half, then into quarters, and then into eighths. I'm now gonna start cutting.
Oh, you cut it very thin. You said it's going to be wide.
This is why. This is spaghetti.
Oh, how many times you fold?
As many times as you want. But taking it out is gonna take a very long time.
Oh, right. Okay, I'm going to cut it very thin. So you don't want the edge, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Ugly edge, go away.
So this is our noodle.
You cannot stretch it? You can, right? Okay.
Yes, you can. But then it's gonna go back to its original place.
So I'm wondering why we need to do this manually. Why not we just use the spaghetti we bought from the market? Everything will be much easier, right? Do you agree?
You could have just bought a pasta roller. All you have to do then is just make the pasta and you just put it through the roller.
I'm losing my patience, guys. Do you want to help me to cut this?
Okay, now it's time to unroll them.
It's turned out that this one is whiter and this one is drier.
Weather, not whiter.
Okay.
If you look closely at it, there aren't any layers of white in between. So it all became like a piece of dough.
Yeah, so for this part of the dough, we cannot unfold it like this one. So you got to do this.
They honestly kind of look like a bunch of earthworms.
And next week, I will publish a new video about Xwill cooking these homemade pastas. So do you want to say bye to everybody?
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe. It's my channel. Wait, I said that last time. Let's try it again. Let's try it again.